You got 3-minute rounds, so you might want to pace yourself there, Christian. Waste all your energy in the beginning. Sure you worked it. Good. All right, George, you're in. George, touch your glove. Hands up. Ready? Stay sideways. All right. Go. Careful. There you go. Good, good, good. 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 Freeze. Nice. Good job, buddy. You're out. Touch your glove with Kate there, Christian.
Slide.
Ready?
Down there.
Go. Freeze. It's all right. Fall like that, all right? Touch one glove. Good? You're good, right? All right. Ready? Go. Get that other hand up, man. What you doing back there? Hey, collar, don't chamber it. Freeze. Good. Mackenzie, you're in. Good, good, good. You all right?
Slide.
Okay. Touch your glove.
Put your stuff on it. You got 30 seconds.
Ready? Go. That's it. Good, good, good.
Stand up.
There you go. Keep that hand up. Shin blocker foot. That's it. There you go. Good, good, good.
You're on me.
Freeze. Nice, nice. All right, Pete. Well, you got 1 more minute. You're doing good, buddy. Hang in there. Hands up. Ready? Go. Keep your hands up, Petey. Look at each other's legs. Your hands up. Don't let them out of the corner. Freeze. Good. All right, Andrew, you're in. Ready? It's cool. We haven't been doing that. 30 seconds. Ready? Last 30 there, Christian. All right, you can let it all loose now. Go. Andrew's going to make sure you got a nice little workout done. Nice. Very good, very good. Hand up with that front hand. Freeze! Yeah, dude! Nice! Awesome job, man. How you feel? Good? You don't